This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Electra Alexander. Located near Interstate, NSU, shopping. Off-street parking. Rent includes ground maintenance. Renter's insurance is required. Applicants/co-applicants will need to apply at www.townerentals.com, upload photo ID, 2 most recent pay stubs and pay $50 non-refundable application fee per applicant 18 years or older. Incomplete applications will not be processed. All co-applicants' applications must be submitted to be processed. For more information, review the details below or contact Electra Alexander at 757-523-1216.